Hi guys! It's Megan Rose from the Philippines. Today is August 25. It's a Tuesday. And I'm going to Ateris tomorrow. So I'm going to show you all of my posts, my finished objects. You have seen this bear. The yarn I used for this is from Miss Jan. She has some red speckles. Going to give that to Ate tomorrow. And then I finished the Panda Bear. The embroidery is not that neat, but I tried my best in making them. This one has a PRD design. I put this on his belly. I think these are labels of cars of some kind. I found a picture from the internet and I copied it. Turned out okay. So the twin of that is this one. This one I had a hard time making because it's very difficult to make the Ford lettering. Turned out okay. You can see when it's far away. When it's far away, you can read the letters. The first one I made, the letters were kind of off, and you can't read them. So I changed it, and I put some eyes on him. I already put the keyring on them. These are 5 items. And I also finished today. Today I sewn this apron, this bear's apron. I call him Chef Cupcake because obviously he is holding a cupcake. And he has a white tie. I've incorporated the violet ribbon on him, so he will have some kind of design and his apron wouldn't be plain. I've also attached the cupcake sturdily so it wouldn't fall off. And he has a keyring, as you can see. His eyes are very close to each other, but I think from the picture they use safety eyes for him, but I use a button that's kind of shimmery as you can see. I hope you can see. His head is a little bit wobbly because his hat is pretty heavy. I should have put more fiber fill on his body to support his head, but they're not okay. And he can also sit. So Chef Cupcake. And also I made Chef Kuno. Chef Kuno is a chef. He has a light pink face. The face should have been lighter pink, lighter than this one. But he looks like an Italian. He is holding a spoon on his left hand, and on his right hand he is holding a cup, a little cup. I made him a cup from the picture. And the customer, she suggested that I put vest on him, so I made this vest, and I didn't put a button on it because I think vests have buttons, but I didn't put one. I don't know if I should put one or because it wouldn't close, because his vest is not overlapping. He has this tie, and it turned out okay. I had difficult time with this one because I was figuring out his size. Because his body is separate from his pants or his lower body. And I've connected it uh, just like Marvin the Martian. So those are the 5 items I'm gonna bring plus the Timmy Time dog. And I'm hoping to maybe finish the variegated yarns teddy bears so I can bring it tomorrow also. So those are my projects. So hope you guys have a fine day. Bye for now.